So we heard about this place called Jerry Johnson Hot Springs, and it's in Lolo National Forest on the Idaho side of Highway 12 that runs from Lolo all the way down through Idaho. And supposedly there's these wild hot springs out there that you have to hike a little ways off the road too. But they're supposed to be pretty epic, so we're gonna go and see if we can try to find them.
I bring more flavor than all the seasons. Winter, spring, summer, fall. The grass is always greener till I cut it all. Please lead me to my studies. I give you no applause. My hand's been counting money and it's hard to be the boss, but somebody got
Picture of the trail map from like 100 years ago when I was reading about it. Jerry Johnson Hot Springs, a series of primitive hot pools scattered along the banks of a rushing creek in a valley of this cedar tree. Over Lolo Pass, continue into Idaho for 22 miles, marker 151. Look for a parking lot on the north side of the highway and a suspension bridge. It's 1 mile trail to Jerry Johnson Hot Springs. Forest 49 starts at the Pack Bridge.
It's like in every conversation we the topic. It's narcissism more like narcotics, so it goes. Well, everybody gather round. I'm still standing, sit down. Whoa, oh. And I know I've been out. Now I'm back in town. Show you the ropes.
Oh, it's nice.
So go, so go, so go. La da da da, la da da, la da da da, la da da. So goes. So goes. La da da da, la da da, la da da da, la da da. So goes. Well, this is a special delivery, coming to you live with the endless artillery, always down to ride. My eyes on the Enterprise, 9 lives, never die, fuck a heaven, I'm still getting high. Never mind, did I mention I'm fine? Cause her pussy getting wetter when the weather dry. Clementine peeling off and everyone get left behind. I'm only 5'7", except I'm feeling like I'm 7'5".
Here.
Damn it,
No? Okay, I'll be careful. Oh, it's slick. Jay, why didn't you tell me it was slippery? Yeah, that's like gotta be like 100 and some degrees. Hot.
They saying I've been gone too long. I could just tell them fuck you, but that come.
This is like made for two. This is made for two.